Good morning, students. This is your maths period, and today we will discuss about the exercise 6.2. Okay, so let's start our today's session. Question number 1. In this question, you have to find the square of the following numbers. Okay, so 32 square. You have to find the square of 32. So how you will find? Without directly multiplying, you have to solve it. आपको directly multiply किए बिना इसको solve करना है. So you know the formula of basic identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I think have you studied this identity in the previous class? So learn this identity for solving these questions. Okay? So you can write 32 as 30 plus 2 whole square. What that is a and that is b. So what you will write? That will be a square means 30 square plus 2ab means 2 into 30 into 2 and then b square. B square means 2 square. So what you will get? The square of 30, that is 900 plus 270. Sorry, 120. And then plus 4. So you will get 1024. That is the answer. Okay, clear? Now take a second question, that is you have to find the square of 86. By this method you can find the square of 86 also. You will write here 86 and then you will use this identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here you will write 86 as 80 plus 6 whole square. What you will get? You will get 80 square plus 2 into 80 into 6 and then 6 square. What is the square of 80? 6400 and then 960 multiplication of 2 into 80 into 6 960 and then plus 36. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 7386. 7386. Okay. So I think all the parts of first question are very simple and easy, you can do by yourself. Let's start the second question, that is write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is given. In the previous class I have already told you how to find Pythagorean triplet whose one member is given. You know the formula. Question number 2. 6. One member is given 6. I have already told you the Pythagorean triplet numbers are 2m first, then m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These three numbers forms a Pythagorean triplet. So 6 is a one member. So how you will write? You will write 2m is equal to 6. So you will get m equal to 6 upon 2 and that is 3. Now Pythagorean triplets are, first member था 2m, so you will write 2 into 3, that will 6, and second one is m square minus 1, you will write 3 square minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1 means that is 8. Okay. Okay, and next and last, that is m square plus 1, and m square plus 1 is equal to 3 square plus 1 means 9 plus 1, and that is 10. So these three numbers are Pythagorean triplet: 6, 8 and 10. Is there any doubt? Okay. Now I think that okay, solve another part of this question, that is 18, last part of second question. In the last part, one number is given, that is 18. 4. 18. So how you will write? You will write 2m is equal to 18. You will get m equal to 9. Okay? So Pythagorean triplet are first 2m, that you will get 2 into 9 means 18, and second m square minus 1, that 9 square minus 1, that you will get 81 minus 1 means 80, and then m square plus 1, and the value of m is 9. 9 square plus 1, you will get 81 plus 1 and 82. So these are the numbers, okay, and required solution. Now exercise 6.2 has finished. Okay, let us take a new topic, that is method for finding square root. अब आप स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना सीखेंगे. अभी तक आपने देखा स्क्वायर्स फाइंड करना. अब न्यू टॉपिक है हाउ टू फाइंड स्क्वायर रूट्स. सो फर्स्ट मेथड इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. Prime factorization method, that is a very simple method and very easy method, interesting also. Let us take an example. You have to find the square root of 36. आपको 36 का स्क्वायर रूट बताना है, मीन्स ये बताना है किस नंबर का स्क्वायर 36 होता है. So how you will find this answer? By prime factorization. You will factorize 36 like this. फर्स्टली 2 से इसको कट करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. व्हाट यू विल गेट? 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 6, देन अगेन 2 9 जा 18 एंड 3 3 जा 9 एंड 3 1s are 3. These are the factors. So you get 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you have to find the square root of 36, that is the symbol of root. Okay, you will make a pair. आप यहाँ पे पेयर बनाएंगे. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 2 का एक पेयर है और 3 का एक पेयर है. पेयर मीन्स 2 नंबर्स का एक जोड़ा. ओके, सो 2 का पेयर एंड 3 का पेयर. इस पेयर में से 2 मिलेगा एंड अगेन 3 वाले पेयर में से 1 भी लिखेंगे. You will get 3 to the 6. That is the answer. Okay. So, okay students, tomorrow we will discuss the other questions based on prime factorization. I think it's enough for today. Thank you class.